So it comes in this packaging. You should be able to get you a bag. Hopefully. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique. If you are new here, please make sure that you are subscribing to this channel. And then also like this video if you liked it, okay? All right, so I have a really exciting video today. I've been holding off on unboxing this package because I wanted to do a first impressions. I wanted to get on camera and I wanted to show you all what I purchased. Oh, and if you are curious, I do have a video on this wig. I will leave it in the cards up above as well as in the description box. If you all aren't familiar, Telfar is a Black-owned luxury brand. They sell accessories such as like do-rags, hats, belts. They also sell clothing items, but they're most recognized, in my opinion, for their shopping bags or their purses. Now, these bags are very hard to come by. They did have this promotion period where I believe for one day you could order any color of the shopping bag at any size, and you were guaranteed to receive it, but you'd only be receiving it between the months of December and January. And this was back in like, I want to say August or like late summertime. I was like, I'm not waiting that long. I'm gonna just take my chances and figure out when's the best time I can go online and get these purses. So I turned on my Instagram notifications only for this Telfar bag, okay? But with that, you get other notifications and it's like, why? I don't care if you're going live, leave me alone. What I realized that they're doing is they're dropping certain colors and certain sizes every week, up to 2 to 3 times a week. So Monday, they could be dropping the yellow shopping bag in small. Tuesday, they might be dropping the oxblood color in small. And then Wednesday, they might be dropping the bubblegum pink color in medium, small, and the large. I was, taking my picks because it's almost like, dang, I want that one, but what if they come up with this one tomorrow? I don't want to get both of them. How about I just, it's a lot to think about. Anyways, I'm not going to hold y'all. I'm going to show you all the purse, okay? So it comes in this packaging. Honestly, I wish the packaging was cuter, I guess, but also in the same token, I'm glad that it doesn't have the brand's name all over it because of how high in demand this brand is. I wouldn't be surprised if it had like Telfar all over it. Somebody might try to steal my stuff, you know what I'm saying? But I like that the packaging is discreet. It's just a basic cardboard box. And this is how it comes. The tape is just taped up right here. And I waited, let me tell y'all. So I purchased this purse on November 2nd at 9 a.m. Now, they didn't sell out in minutes. They sold out within 15 minutes. I thought they were gonna sell out in like 3 to 5 minutes. I ordered it November 2nd and it came November 5th. You do the math. But it's really quick shipping. I got a tracking number and everything sent to me via text message so that way I could track the package. But like I said, I ordered it November 2nd and it came to me on November 5th. Ooh. Okay, so I can't see it yet, but there's the packing list label on the front. Just has my information on there. I won't show y'all. But I got the Telfar shopping bag small in the color tan. Now, I got the color tan because I just feel like it could go with a lot of different things, especially in my wardrobe. I would love to get the black. I'm touching it, so I'm like super excited. I would love to get the black, so I'm just gonna be on the lookout for when they restock in the black, but this is how it comes packaged. Super nice. Look at this. It's so cute. It comes in this plastic packaging, this resealable bag. Kind of like the same bags that you would get when you order stuff from Shein when they package it separately. But yeah, it comes in this plastic packaging. And then if you open it up, I'm so excited, y'all. I waited. Today is November. I waited 2 days. I waited 2 days to open this package. It's been sitting at my front door. All right, opening it up, it comes in this white duster. This nice cloth material. I really like it. It's white and black and has drawstrings. I can see the back. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. And this is how it is. Oh my gosh, she's so cute and small. Can you see it? Oh, it's a white. It's a white slip on the top. Let me cut this. This brown is beautiful. Okay. So cute. It is tiny. Okay, wait. This should be called the mini, not the small, because this is tiny. But wow, y'all, look how smooth this is. Anyways, this is the color. It is showing up, I believe, true to color on screen on the camera. This is how it comes packaged. It is very small, super cute. I had to smell it. It smells like Marshalls. It has this slip on the top to keep everything together, which I'm also gonna cut off. These are the straps. Has really long straps so you can wear it as a crossbody, and then a small handle so you can wear it like this. If you look how cute this is. This color, I think, is just beautiful. It's like this rich caramel camel color. So definitely a color that I could wear with a lot of different things within my closet. The stitching on it is beautiful. Like there's no loose thread, if you get what I'm saying. Wow, this is beautiful. Anyways, all right, so inside, to open it, you have like a little clasp here. It has a plastic piece that covers it up. And then it has Telfar's logo right here, stitched in black and white. And it has the little label here, Telfar logo. This is super pretty. But anyways, this is the inside of it. It's the same color as the outside of the bag. So very pretty. I love this color. I love it so much. And I can't wait to style it. Also, I forgot to mention, this bag retails for $150. She's a vibe, okay? I feel like when I put it on, I feel like a rich, bougie aunt. Like, I am an aunt. I am bougie. We working on rich, okay? We working on rich. I know $150 may be out of a lot of people's budget to spend on like a small purse like this, but honestly, the quality of it, the look of it, the feel of it, it's super soft. Just the vibe of it all, and knowing that you're supporting a Black-owned luxury brand business. I mean, even their slogan, not for you, for everybody. It's like they want to make it accessible to everyone. Like they want you to know, like, hey, chill. We're gonna restock it. You just chill out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Even the slogan, the brand, their Instagram, the way that they promote their items, it almost makes you feel connected with the brand. Like they're not trying to be somebody that they're not. So I really appreciate that about them. I love the photos that they post with people, like every regular day people, fly people who ain't got no style people. They're posting, they're reposting. Like if you all go on their Instagram, you'll see the type of people that they post, the type of aesthetic that they have within their page, even their highlights, just full of a variety of different people, but you know that it's Black owned and it's a luxury brand on top of that. So I definitely will be repurchasing another bag whenever I get the chance and the money. The only tip that I could really give is just turn on Telfar's notifications so you can be notified whenever they post a new release coming up. So like if they're letting you all know that certain sizes in a specific color is going to be is going to drop the next morning, you'll be aware of that through your Instagram notifications. You can also sign up on the website to receive email notifications. But for the most part, I use the Instagram notifications. And like I said, it didn't sell out as soon as I got on the site. It sold out within like 15 minutes later. So yeah, just be cognizant of that. And you should be able to get you a bag. Hopefully. This color is gorgeous. She's a babe. Okay. This is nice. I hope y'all enjoyed. If I am leaving anything out, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section down below if you have any questions. Like I said, if you haven't already, please make sure that you are subscribing to this channel. Like this video if you liked it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, y'all.